Hi everyone, this is the introduction to the workshops that we have for the data visualization. I would go through each of the softwares that we provide as the workshops and show you a little bit about each workshop, what we do, and what you could learn in each session. The first one is the data visualization principles, charts and graphs, and in that workshop you will learn about how to choose the graphs and charts for a specific application and how to choose the visual components like the colors, size of the points in the graphs or charts. It's useful to be familiar with each of the best practices for the data visualization and be able to choose the colors, sizes, and graphs and charts appropriately for specific applications. For example, here you would learn about each correlation or each relationship available in your data, and then you can choose which chart is more appropriate for your application. The next workshop is the Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a data analytics software useful for general data visualization and creating interactive dashboards. Here you will see a dashboard that is created with the Microsoft Power BI. So you would be able to create this dashboard by just attending the workshops for the Microsoft Power BI. Gephi is a similar data analytics software to the Microsoft Power BI, but with different applications and options available. And also you could create interactive dashboards for the data visualization in Tableau, similar to Power BI, and publish it and share it with other users. The next one is Python programming for data visualization. We would go through each Python code that could be used for creating charts and plots. The other one is the R programming language, similar to Python, that we use for data visualization and creating general data visualization from any numerical data. One of the most common programming language for data visualization is JavaScript and D3.js library. With the JavaScript and D3.js, you could create visualization, interactive visualization that could be embedded into the websites and could be easily shared with the other users. Here is one dashboard that is created with the D3.js and JavaScript programming language. For the information visualization, we use the Gephi, and you could create the visualization based on the graphs and the connectivity of the graph points. So this software is useful for the graph visualization and having a visualization of the graphs for showing the connectivity of your data. In the scientific visualization, we use the PowerView software to create interactive visualization by using the PowerView software for any engineering simulation data. These are the engineering simulation results that could be easily visualized by using the PowerView. The last one is the VMD software that would be used for visualization of the molecular dynamics structures, that you could use it for any molecular dynamics. Simulation, visualization. So with that, that's it.